Now here we go with the under-17 team sprints. Auckland versus Southland. There's Libby Bain and Jen Mull. Southland out of the blocks early. Now Southland by half a second. This is the ride for bronze. Now Mull, can she finish it off? Nothing in it, still 0.4 of a second. Auckland trying to finish fast. Mull goes to the line. Yes, it's Southland, bronze for Southland. Libby Bain and Jen Mull take bronze by just 0.266 of a second. And here's the gold medal ride, West Coast North Island against Auckland. A ride for gold. And it's Auckland at the moment who have their noses in front. But now it's Kate Stewart who takes over for West Coast North Island. Now she's had a good championships. Let's see what she's got. She's got to try and make up 0.3 of a second. Auckland holding, it's now only 0.2. Stewart to the line. Auckland to the line. Wait for it. Oh, it's Auckland who get it by 0.295. So Auckland take gold. West Coast North Island take silver. Here's the boys team sprint. Ride for gold. Oh, for bronze, sorry. Canterbury. The bell for Auckland. They're up by 0.7 of a second, in fact over a second now. So Auckland in control of this. They're riding their way into the bronze medal, stretching it out even further on this last leg. And here come Auckland in to take bronze. And they do it by 1.2 seconds. Here's the gold medal ride. Top qualifiers Tasman. And from the other side of the ILT Velodrome, Mid-South Canterbury. Tasman slightly in front. Nothing in it here though at the first change. Just a tenth of a second. Tasman holding on to it, but it's steady at just over a tenth of a second. There's the bell. Tasman take over. Now it's only 0.04 of a second. Mid-South Canterbury finishing strongly. Half a lap to go. Nothing in it. 0.2 seconds. Mid-South Canterbury take it. Victory for Mid-South Canterbury. They take gold. Although, sounds as though the timing hasn't quite worked there, but I think Mid-South Canterbury will have to wait for the confirmation, but Mid-South Canterbury look like they may have stolen gold over Tasman. Great race and a great comeback. And as they get set for the medal presentations, and in fact will be Tasman that will take gold, a 57.58 plays a 57.77 for Mid-South Canterbury. Nothing in it at all, just 0.02 of a second.